All right, today we're going to unbox the Signstek electronic touchscreen door lock, model ST668. Let's see what's in here. All right, here we go. All right, first thing, you've got your directions. Want to keep those. Let's open this up. Aha, it's all wrapped up. So let's take a look and see what we got. I do believe these are the handles. Okay. Looking good. Set that over here. There's another one here. All right, so it looks like there's a screw that you got to put in there to lock it down. It has a hole here. And I think that's for, your fail-safe key. We'll see. And this is the main front and back of the unit. So here you are. And this side has a key, so I think that probably goes with this one here, because it's got a hole in it. All right, so there's the keypad. Let's pull it apart. Okay, so there's where your lock is going to go on. And this, okay, there's your battery compartment. To get to the batteries, I think you go here. There we are. So these are AAA, so you need 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. We'll show you how to put those in, of course, after. Let's put that back. All right, so that's that. Let's set these two like this. All right, now it also comes with a key. It has a Allen wrench, and those are your screws that you're going to need to lock everything down. And I'm not sure what these little things inside there are. Maybe they cover up the holes, but that's your safety key if you get, if your battery's dying, you need to get in. So let's set that over here. Let's set these over here. All right, and this is your plate that it slides into and locks on the door. And I think this is the back of it. And you've got a bunch of screws. And here it is, right here. So basically the way this is going to work is you get a hole in the center here, which is going to go like this. First it goes in the door, and then this goes in the side that is out, this is the side where you have to unlock it. That would be the outside of the house or whatever. Also, when you're setting these up, there is a connection here that has to be plugged into here. You see that? So this will bring the power to the system. So you got to plug those two together, before you, so this is going to kind of like, have to go through here, like that. And then you got to hook it onto that. And so then you just get this on there. You got to get it in that little square, right? And basically that's how the system works right there. And of course you got to put your handles on. This one goes over here, like that, you see? And then this one will go here, just like that. And you can see we put a little screw in there to lock them down, a little screw in there to lock it down. And that's basically your system. Then to get in, you go, boop, 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 and we have to show you how to program it, but, and then you can, you can unlock it. See, right now it won't unlock. But if I turn this one, watch. See, it comes in. This is the inside of the door here. Here's the outside, right? So I have to have a special, code, boom, 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 to get it unlocked. Or I could use the key. So check it out. If I put the key in there, it should unlock it. Yeah, there we go. So that's locked, right? And if I put it in, turn it, unlocks it. That's basically how it works. All right, so now we just have to install this and show you guys how to do that. But that's the unboxing, and this is the name of the company right here. It says Signstek, and that's your keypad. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out the video where I put this on a door. Peace out.